Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Paint 3D and putting your image on the canvas. Once the image is visible, click Magic Select. Draw a tight selection box around the subject. Do not include large, unwanted areas. Then press Next so the algorithm can propose the subject. This gives you a rough cut to work from, and it speeds correction. Make sure edges are within the box, because Magic Select uses that frame to determine foreground versus background. Once you have the rough cut, refine by switching to Add or Remove, paint over missed bits or extra background. Use the control handles to resize or reframe the selection, because small box changes change the algorithm's result. For thin edges, paint slowly with a small brush. For larger fixes, use broader strokes. If the subject splits, try toggling the selection off and on to let Magic Select recalculate. This often yields finish by clicking Done to extract the subject. Once separated, move, rotate, or copy it to a new canvas. If you need a transparent background, enable Canvas Transparency and save as PNG to preserve alpha. Make sure to tidy edges with the Erase tool if necessary. If Magic Select fails or misses details, shrink the selection box, retrace problem edges with Add/Remove, or cancel and try again. This reset often fixes stubborn edge artifacts and improves final results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.